We are at the moment a very strong financial foundation, because the last 2 years with this financial crisis worldwide, we identified what should be done first. The first, that we have to strengthen our financial foundation, and we have done it for the last 2 years. We increased our coverage ratio to above 100%. So this year, we see the economy of Indonesia will be in better shape in coming future. So this year, we try to grow our market share.
Mr. Suwondo, you're the president of one of Indonesia's largest banks. Could you tell me how Indonesia's banks have fared during last year's financial crisis?
Yes, our banking industry is very strong at the moment, as indicated by, for the last 10 years, the average growth of the industry is somewhere around 20 to 25%. Even though in time of crisis, last 2008, our growth is still 24%. Only last year, 2009's growth is rather slower because of two issues. One is we have a parliament election, and second is we have a presidential election. That's what's rather slow. But I do believe this year it will go back to the performance of before 2008.
President of Indonesia's fourth largest bank, what do you think are the prospects for Indonesia's economy?
Indonesia is a very large country, and we almost serve all the provinces of in the country. So with this 230 million people, we think this is the very huge market in Indonesia, domestic market. So what happened last financial crisis, this 2008, I make a review with all my region people. I was surprised that the region are not feel that there is a crisis. Only in the city, they feel the impact of the financial crisis. But the rest of the region, they don't feel. So just to test it, whether it's true or not, I made a special meeting, regional meeting in Ternate. That's the eastern part of Indonesia. And I found out business as usual. They're trading between themselves. So based on this thing, I think Indonesia is really potential for investors to come to make investment in Indonesia.
What are the challenges facing your bank in the short term?
Our challenge is that we have to strengthen our capital. That's our main challenge. For growing, I don't see any major challenge for growing, because we have, for our loan growing in the future, we are basing on the small and medium. Our small and medium actually is quite, we consider small is around 1 million US loan, and medium is around 10 million. And there are potential businesses in the region, and we are going to develop that region. And we have also believed that in each region there's a champion product, and we are going to develop that kind of product for each region.
What's your message for international investors looking at Indonesia?
The ultimate goal is long-term investment, but this short-term, the hot money, is just give a sign for us that there's opportunity in this area, because everybody come. When they come and they feel comfortable, then they will put the money for the long term. That's what we have to prove to them, that Indonesia is a better place for them to putting in investment.